Sorry, I lost some audio on here, but these are the plans we're working from. They're actually created by Jeff from Reed Plains, and they're completely free. He is giving them to everyone, so you can find those down below. But let's get back into the project. Missing a little bit of audio. Okay, enough of that joke. Actually, the audio should be coming back in here in a moment. Yeah, I have a little bit too much fun with this. Drip, 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 drip. Clip a layer. And work it back. Valuable resource time. Okay, I've got to break in here for a moment. If you want to make these, there are actually plans available down below. They are completely free. Jeff from Reed Plains is the one who came up with the design for this, created the plans, and he's giving it out to whoever wants it. So go ahead and hop on that. Let's get back to the build. Ah, that was close. Oh shoot, I'm sliding off the side of this. Like that. Off. Now the fun part. Let's take out the core. There. Ta-da! Put that on there lightly. Something like that. Something like that. Tape it back on. slide that in a little past. Like that. Pretty good. Let's see how it fits. Grab the screw, hang it up. Just like that. Sitting for a few minutes, letting it all soak in as much as it wants to soak in, and now we can take off. There you go. So, for the final coat, I want to spray it. I don't have a whole spraying system. So we're going to use sprayer. Now, can I do this without a funnel? Yes, I can. I can do it without a funnel. Oh, that goes on. And now I've got a spray finish. You've been doing that a bit lately, haven't you? And of course that means wood by Wright wax to do the final seal in. So there you have it. These were surprisingly simple to make. I had a lot of fun with this. This is my first prototype, really quick, dumb, simple one. Made it with the cheapest veneers that I had. Once I got this done, I figured out, yes, I could actually cut it with a turning saw. I jumped into making something a little bit different. And I like this one. It was very, very close to what I wanted, except for I wanted a slight different changes on it, and I wanted it to have something a little bit better. So that's where I made this one with the tiger maple and the bird's eye maple on the inside. These are just, this one is a lot of fun. I really like how this one came out. It's exactly the shape I wanted. You'll notice that these are very different from the designs on the thumbnail, the ones that Jeff made. He has ones with holes going through it, and you can make whatever design and shape and cutout you wanted. He actually has the plans, the way to cut them out with a router, so you can make them exactly the same. If you wanted to make these to sell, you could make up a jig and pump these out rather quickly. They're relatively inexpensive. They don't take that much to make. They're a lot of fun to make as well, and they work really, really well. Actually, they hold on to bottles like you wouldn't believe, and phenomenally good design. So Jeff really did his job on this and made some really beautiful things, and I really like these. Now, if you want to see more on this, there is a link to the plans down below. Jeff is offering those completely for free, and if you don't know anything about Reed planes, he's the one who also makes the parts for the planes, so you can get replacement yokes, fine adjustment knobs, things to really turn a standard plane into something really special and highly tunable. There's links to that down below as well. So thank you to Jeff for making these, and I had a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys make, so get the plans down below, jump in, make some of yourself, and tag us in pictures. We'd love to take a look at what you make, because these are just really, really cool. I hope you like this. If you do have any other comments, thoughts, things I could have done better, let me know that down below. I do read through all the comments and I learned from a lot of it, so thank you for that. That does help out the channel, as well as hitting the like, comment, and share, subscribe button. You know all those things. They do help us out and they keep us going, so thank you for that. Talking of keeping us going, there are a bunch of people scrolling over here. They are the patrons on Patreon. Anyone who helps us through Patreon or clicks the little join button and becomes a member here, we do have special perks for both of them, and without patrons and members, this channel wouldn't exist. I say it every week, but honestly, without patrons and members, we wouldn't be here. You are ones that are quite literally keeping the lights on and paying to allow things like this to keep going. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more, there's links to Patreon down below, or click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. So I think that will do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. If you can't tell, I'm a little excited about this, and some people tell me I should bottle up my excitement, but if you can tell, there's no bottle in here, so I have not bottled up my excitement. It is completely unbottled.